Sutra of the Merit and Virtue of the Past Vows of Medicine Master Vaidyurya Light Tathagata. Moreover, Manjushri, there may be good men and women of pure faith who all their lives do not worship other gods, but single-mindedly take refuge with the Buddha, the Dharma, and the Sangha. They accept and uphold precepts such as the 5 precepts, the 10 precepts, the 400 precepts of a bodhisattva, the 250 precepts of a bhikshu, or the 500 precepts of a bhikshuni. Perhaps they have violated some of the precepts they received and are afraid of falling into the evil destinies. If they concentrate on reciting that Buddha's name and worship and make offerings to him, they definitely will not be reborn in the 3 evil destinies. If there is a woman about to give birth who suffers great pain, if she sincerely recites his name and worships, praises, venerates, and makes offerings to that Tathagata, all her sufferings will be dispelled. The newborn child will be sound and healthy, and will have upright features. Seeing him will make people happy. He will be keen and intelligent, peaceful and secure, and with few ailments, and no evil spirit will come to rob him of his vitality. At that time the World-Honored One said to Ananda, "The merit and virtue of the World-Honored One, Medicine Master Vaidyurya Light Tathagata, which I have just extolled, is the extremely profound practice of all Buddhas. It is difficult to fathom and comprehend. Do you believe it or not?" Ananda said, "Greatly virtuous World-Honored One, I have absolutely no doubts regarding the sutras spoken by the Tathagata. Why? Because all Buddha's karmas of body, speech, and mind are pure." World-Honored One, the sun and moon could fall. Wonderfully high, the king of mountains could be toppled or shaken. But the words of the Buddhas never change. World-Honored One, there are sentient beings deficient in faith who hear about the extremely profound practices of all Buddhas and think to themselves, how could one obtain such supreme merit and benefit merely by reciting the name of a single Buddha, Medicine Master Vaidyurya Light Tathagata? Due to this lack of faith, they give rise to slander. During the long night they lose great benefit and joy, and fall into the evil destinies, where they wander ceaselessly.